I'm Dr. Mehmet Fer. I'm a medical oncologist at the Swedish Cancer Institute. Medical oncology is the specialty that deals with treating cancer through medical means. That includes chemotherapy, it includes other newer drugs, and of course we do a lot of the general medical care for people with cancer. Of course, it's very serious for patients when they get a diagnosis of cancer. It's all new to them, and it's an often devastating thing to hear in a doctor's office, and that's where we often pick up. If somebody has a life-threatening illness, we try to get them in very quickly, and I think that reduces a lot of the anxiety that's associated with it, because at least things are now moving. The primary goal for each patient we treat is to do the best that we can do for them. We want to not leave any stone unturned, and we want to do everything that's humanly possible for these people. We, of course, take a real team approach to everything we do. We have a lot of resources here, and we're very patient-centered. So we have the nurses, we have the social workers, we have the coordinators, patient advocates, cancer rehab specialists, all these people working towards one goal, and that is to get that person better. We try to do a lot of things, and we try to give excellent personalized care and be available to people. We have to do a lot. I mean, we basically strive to do the best. At the end of the day, I find the work very fulfilling because we develop a very gratifying relationship with the patient and the families, and it's very gratifying to see people get better, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. At Swedish Medical Center, basically what we're trying to do is to deliver the best personalized care to everybody that we see and get the best results for them that's possible anywhere.